My name is Lemi Changase. I'm coming from Amachuba district, from a school, Hope High School. I'm here attending the workshop on strengthening of curriculum. So far, the main topics that have been dealt with is the participation of learners in mathematics. I think from here, I think we'll need to really support our teachers in ensuring that number of learners participate in mathematics, and also they've dealt with the issues of strengthening the issues of reading for meaning. Most of our learners can't read for meaning, they only read without any meaning. So I think that also the issue of mother tongue based education, it will help also our learners to understand more concept on learning, and also to ensure that our learners participate in mathematics. We have to bridge the gap of learners who are taking maths and minimize those who are taking math lit and other subjects that will not help them in the future. So far, I think the workshop is good because it covers those important aspects. And also, it's very, very important for our learners to know what they are going to study or whether those subjects are going to be helpful when they pursue tertiary education. Thank you.